smart grammar of English at Kanye right now. Yes, you have to follow me once. What's up, man? Come on. Besar gadelkin ስትሉት besar gadelkin. You crack me up. besar gadelkin. You crack me up. You crack me up. You crack me up. besar gadelkin በእናት besar gadelkin. Yes, you crack me up. Nice. ከዚህ ምን አመጣ? እዚህ ምን አመጣ ስትሉት what brings you here? What brings you here? ትላላችሁ። እዚህ ምን አመጣ ስትሉት እዚህ ምን አመጣ ስትሉት ምን what brings you here? እዚህ ምን አመጣ ስትሉት what brings you here? Next one is አሽቃባጭ ነህ። አሽቃባጭ ነህ። አሽቃባጭ ነህ ስትሉት you are a sycophant. You are a sycophant. You are what? A sycophant. ካላችሁ ቤስት ይሆናል ማለት ነው። አሽቃባጭ ነህ ስትሉት you are a sycophant person. You are a sycophant person. አሽቃባጭ ነህ። A sycophant means a person who tries to be liked ማለት ነው። A person who tries to what? Who tries to be liked. A person who tries to be what? Liked. A person who tries to be what? Who tries to be liked. ምን ይባላል? A sycophant. A person who is what? ምን ይባላል ማለት ነው? sycophant አሽቃባጭ ማለት ወደድ ላይ ሊሆን ይችላል። ማሽቃባጭ ማለት ነው። You are a sycophant. You are a sycophant ካላችሁ አሽቃባጭ ማለት። Okay, next one is ተበሳጭቻለሁ ስትሉ I'm pissed off. 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 ካላችሁ ትክክል ነው። ወላዋይ ነህ። You are a wishy-washy person. A wishy-washy person. You are a wishy-washy person. ወላዋይ ነህ ስትሉ you are a wishy-washy person. A wishy-washy person. Next one is ታዋቂ ነህ። You are a light person. You are a light man. ታዋቂ ነህ። You are a famous person ማለት You are a light man ካላችሁ ቤስት ይሆናል ማለት You are a light man. ዝግጁ ነህ። You are all set. ዝግጁ ነህ። You all set ካላችሁ ቤስት ይሆናል። ምን አደረኩ? What did I do to you? What did I do to you? Thank you for watching this video. ሁላችሁም ወዳችኋለሁ። ሰላማችሁ ይብዛልኝ. May God bless you, all of you. Good night. Don't forget like, share, subscribe ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። ወዳችኋለሁ በጣም። ሰላማችሁ ይብዛ. Good night.